Hi everyone, this is Vanessa from Shining 3D. Today I am delighted to introduce you the new powerful generation of handheld scanner, the FreeScan UE Pro2. Let's have a glimpse of this amazing product. I hope you were as amazed by the video as I am. FreeScan UE Pro2 inherits the high accuracy and patent built-in photogrammetry from the FreeScan UE Pro, but now it has become wireless. Integrated with the wireless module, the FreeScan UE Pro2 liberates you from long cables, allowing seamless data transmission during the scanning. The FreeScan UE Pro2 offers nearly double scanning efficiency compared to the previous generation. With a rapid scan speed of up to 3,460,000 points per second, you can complete your scanning tasks smoothly, allowing you to focus on inspection applications and enhance your overall productivity. The UE Pro2 features our patent innovative photogrammetry technology for scanning large objects. It quickly optimizes the spatial position of global markers, ensuring consistent accuracy while saving time, coded markers, and increasing efficiency. Additionally, we have the integrated inspection module in the software, enabling you to perform real-time on-site inspections. Certified and guaranteed accuracy, high efficiency, and powerful software makes this product a promising solution for shop floor inspections and on-site fieldwork. Now, our team member Josh will introduce some of the specific details of this FreeScan UE Pro2. Inspect on the move. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Josh with Shining 3D, and I'm here to proudly introduce the new FreeScan UE Pro2. The FreeScan UE Pro2, building upon the strengths of the FreeScan UE series, introduces a pioneering wireless module that significantly boosts flexibility and portability. This feature allows users to move freely during the scanning process, eliminating constraints associated with the wired connections. Equipped with an exceptional rapid scanning speed, the FreeScan UE Pro2 doubles productivity, enabling data capturing at an accelerated pace. Its patented photogrammetry technology incorporated within the device significantly improves the volumetric accuracy. Moreover, the inclusion of an integrated inspection module empowers users with an on-the-spot quality assurance capabilities. This module seamlessly integrates into the workflow, offering a comprehensive solution that streamlines the entire inspection process right on the shop floor. The FreeScan UE Pro2 is suited for a myriad of applications and quality checks. Its combination of a cutting-edge technology and user-centric design positions it as a game changer in the realm of portable metrology, catering to the diverse needs of professionals and in various industries. Now that we have activated our UE Pro2 and we have done the calibration, we can now go into the scanning portion. For this, I'm going to be introducing the 50 laser lines. So firstly, we're going to go ahead and start a new project. Now that we're going into our new project, we have the global markers mode. So we'll go ahead and scan our global markers and then be able to optimize this. Quickly scanning. We can long hold that scanner button and it'll optimize directly. So now we've optimized our global markers. We can go into the scan mesh and start picking some of our parameters. For this demo, we're gonna be going through the 50 laser line, which captures at a 3,460,000 points per second. Clicking that, then we're gonna go with a normal object, and then we'll be able to change our brightness. For this, we'll keep it right at about half. Quickly going through. Now the 50 laser lines is going to be optimal for scanning the vast majority of an object, and then we can go through after with the 2 other light source modes, that being the 7 parallel laser lines, which is primarily used in partial HD, and then the single laser line, which is going to be for that deep hole data capturability. Now that we've used the 50 laser lines, we've captured the vast majority of the objects. We can then go in, do the same kind of setup, clean up any areas that are unwanted data, and then we can jump into the other 2 laser line modes, that being the 7 laser lines and the single laser line, which we will show in our next demos. I'd like to come back now and show the 7 laser lines in partial HD mode. So with partial HD, what we're going to be able to do is go to higher resolution in a certain area. For this instance, we have scanned the entire object, and we have 2 holes that we want to come back and improve the contour of the edges. So with this, we'll come in, we'll change to our partial HD. With that, we're going to go from our 0.5 resolution, and for this, we're going to bring it down to our 0.2. Then we would come through, delete out what we've already scanned. And then rescan those areas at that higher resolution. Again, the reason we're doing this is to better give a contour for the edges at a lower point distance. And as you can see, in the beginning, we were using the 50 laser lines. This is now using the 7 parallel laser lines. So the working distance will be closer. But now, instead of going to that 0.5 resolution, we are actually scanning in a 0.2. So this is tighter point cloud, which means that the edges of this hole are going to be a better representation to its realistic. All right, and now we have scanned that in partial HD. With 7 parallel laser lines, we're now going to be going through our single laser line. Single laser line is going to be most useful for deep hole data capturability. With this, we're going to scan this little pipe we have here. First, we're going to do the top and 50 laser lines to show what the depth is. We can get with just that, and then switch into the single laser line to show the depth that it can actually get as we're scanning, right? So with this, grab the top, and then scanning. Right now, we don't really have much depth in the side of this hole, but once switched into the single laser line, we can now capture very far in there. And then we can now clean up everything else by connecting the domain, inverting, and deleting out. And now we can see the depth that we actually got with that, using that single laser line. And now we're going to be demoing our photogrammetry. This is our patented photogrammetry. With this, we use our 2 scale bars, which have been precisely measured. Both of these are magnetic, right? So we'll go ahead and place these on our objects, like you see here. Pick the photogrammetry within the software, and then scan our markers and the scale bars to create that global markers file. Now the standoff with this is going to be quite large, so we'd be able to stand very far away, scan the entire object, get all the markers we possibly can, getting those scale bars in there. And what we're doing with this is ensuring we have the highest level of volumetric accuracy we can, right? So this is going to be important for high accuracy requirements, as well as scanning objects over 2 meters, right? So now we've gone in, we could do that. You can either optimize it directly in this by long holding, like you see here, or you can optimize it directly as the button right there on the right-hand corner. Once this optimizes, we can go back and scan the mesh just like you've seen in the past demos. So we've optimized, we'll click Scan Mesh. We can remove these scale bars. We no longer need these. If you did keep them there, then you would be blocking the scanning surface. Now with the 50 laser lines, we can go and scan the object. In the photogrammetry, with that 20 microns plus the additional 15 per meter, we can go on to our next steps. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Josh, for your presentation. Now you've seen the FreeScan UE Pro2 and how to use it. Beyond this, we understand your concerns about how the scanner performs in real-world scenarios. Next, we will show you how to control quality for the production with the FreeScan UE Pro2.
Hi there, I'm Thomas. Today I'd like to show you how to use FreeScan UE Pro2 for controlling production quality in the automotive sheet metal industry. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a wireless and portable metrology 3D scanner. With the power bank conveniently in my pocket, we're ready to start scanning anywhere on the production floor. This scanner offers incredible scanning speed of up to 3,460,000 points per second. You can complete scanning tasks smoothly and efficiently. This significantly improves the efficiency of sheet metal inspections, helping to control production quality and enhance overall productivity. Let's see it in action. Using 50 laser lines mode, we can quickly capture the data of large, smooth surface thanks to embedded computing model. FreeScan UE Pro2 accelerates data capture and processing, reducing overall scanning time and computer workload. Make it a ideal choice for high-speed scanning tasks. Switching to 7 parallel laser lines mode is easy with a simple shortcut. This mode is perfect for capturing details like holes with high accuracy. The flexibility of FreeScan UE Pro2 makes it highly adaptable to different scanning needs. Now we have the mesh data. FreeScan software is also integrated with an inspection module, streamline the workflow effortlessly with an all-in-one shop floor solution. Import the CAD model of the sheet metal, align the scan data with the model, and generate a 3D color map to visualize deviation. We can also create comparison points to check the surface deviation in specific position. Besides, we can quickly create features and measure distances between holes, ensuring that all dimensions meet the required standards.
Having witnessed the high scan speed, I believe you are also impressed by the FreeScan UE Pro2's performance. 3D scanners are now widely used in automotive sheet metal inspection, and we believe that wireless scanning can be at the forefront of the industry. For batch inspection, the UE Pro2 has developed a dedicated function. Let's see how it is used.
The engine cylinder head is a critical component in automotive engines, responsible for housing the cylinders where combustion takes place. Ensuring its accuracy and durability is vital for engine performance and longevity. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a wireless, portable metrology 3D scanner. In the casting industry, where every detail matters, FreeScan UE Pro2 excels. It swiftly captures complex geometrics and surface textures, crucial for detecting defects. Before scanning, let's set scanning parameters. For resolution, we can set 0.5 mm and then adjust to appropriate brightness. Now let's use 50 laser lines for comprehensive scan. By observing the rendering color of laser lines projected onto the object, we can easily check if the scanning distance is appropriate. Now it's green, standing for an ideal working distance. To capture deep hole data, let's turn to single line mode. Just push the button and here we are. This mode is specially designed to scan deep holes and pocket areas. After we get the complete data, mesh it, and we can save the customized scanning and meshing setting template. Setting up a customized template allows to save time and ensure consistency. If you need to scan parts with a similar surface material, instead of manually adjusting parameters for each session, we can simply load our predefined template. Okay, next cylinder head. Just create a new project using the scan template we have. The scan workflow is the same. After scanning, let's move on the inspection process. FreeScan software integrates an inspection module that streamlines our workflow. Based on the mesh data, we can create features and measure key dimensions such as length and hole radius. The automated inspection functions allows to inspect several cylinder heads at the one time, ensuring consistent and reliable inspection results.
In shop floor applications, reflective and dark parts are common. It's essential for 3D scanners to handle these surfaces effectively. Now let's see how the UE Pro2 performs.
In industrial scenes, we often deal with a variety of surfaces, from dark to reflective materials. FreeScan UE Pro2 handles them all with ease, making it the perfect tool for any scanning task. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2 ready for action. With its wireless and portable design, I can move freely around the workshop, scanning different parts without any hassle. FreeScan UE Pro2 is equipped with the blue laser technology and high-end industrial camera to capture surface data. Let's take this reflective car door as an example. By selecting the reflective mode, we can start scanning. Notice how the streamlined software displays mesh data in real time as we scan the car door. The scanning speed is truly impressive, reaching up 3,460,000 points per second. Next, I'll move inside the car to scan the dark dashboard in the confined space. I must say, the wireless capability is a huge advantage here. FreeScan UE Pro2 advanced material adaptability comes into play. Whether it's a plastic or leather, FreeScan UE Pro2 scans quickly and accurately. With multiple exposure settings and intelligent algorithms, FreeScan UE Pro2 features high adaptability to various materials. Here's the scan data. As you can see, FreeScan UE Pro2 provides clear, detailed and accurate results, making it a perfect tool for any industrial scanning needs.
Besides FreeScan UE Pro2, it's a perfect tool to capture data and inspect details on site. Please see the video.
I'd like to show you how to inspect details with the FreeScan UE Pro2 in this automotive parts factory. Our focus will be on scanning the punch tool of stamping machine to capture its geometry and dimensions, measure its size, and check for wear. The punch tool is primarily used for metal forming operations. It helps efficiently and accurately produce various automotive parts, meeting production needs and ensuring quality and consistency. Regular inspection of the punch is crucial to maintain precision and prevent wear and tear, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the stamping process. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a powerful wireless metrology 3D scanner. With the accuracy up to 0.02 mm, FreeScan UE Pro2 delivers consistent and reliable scanning results, and its integrated inspection module facilitates quick on-site quality control, streamlining the workflow effortlessly with all-in-one shop floor solution. FreeScan UE Pro2 has 3 functions for versatile applications. They are 50 laser lines, 7 parallel laser lines, and single line. In this case, let's choose 50 laser lines. And don't forget set the point distance to 0.2 mm for finer details. The 50 laser lines captures data super fast. Let's start scanning. As we can see, the intuitive and powerful scan software displays mesh data in real time. There's also a data quality indicator to present the quality of the collected data, providing immediate feedback. Blue indicates sufficient scan data, while yellow suggests we need to rescan this area. By observing the rendering color of the laser line in the software, we can determine if the scan distance is appropriate. Here's the mesh data we've just captured. The details are clear, allowing us to perform thorough inspections. Now we move on this inspection part. We can create a cylinder feature to measure the diameter of the punch. This helps us check for wear and ensure the tool meets the required specifications.
Because of integrated wireless module without long cables, outdoor scanning of medium and large parts is incredibly easy and efficient. This one is an important scenario for our customer. Let's take a look.
In the maritime industry, regularly scanning key components like ship propellers is crucial for assessing wear and conducting preventive maintenance. Today, we will demonstrate how to use the FreeScan UE Pro2 with the built-in binocular photogrammetry for this purpose. Our pen-tension binocular photogrammetry is integrated into the FreeScan UE Pro2. All you need to do is attach the magnetic scale bar to the object and put some markers on it. Then you are ready to start scanning. This feature is particularly useful for scanning large objects, enhancing the volumetric accuracy. Next, we'll use the photogrammetry mode and start scanning. Unlike traditional systems that require lots of coded markers and separate scanning processes, our integrated approach streamlines the workflow. After optimizing our global markers, we are ready to begin scanning. To quickly obtain the data of this propeller with the diameter of around 4 meters, we choose the 50 laser line mode and enable the high-speed mode. Its scan speed can be up to 3,460,000 points per second, easily capturing the complete data in just few minutes. One of the standout features of the FreeScan UE Pro2 is the wireless capability. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to use in various environments, including shipyards where the mobility is essential. Without cable constraints, we can move around the large object like this ship propeller effortlessly. Now we move on the inspection based on this scanning data. We align it with the CAD model of the ship propeller. Here on the screen you can see the 3D color map that visualizes deviation between the scanning propeller and its ideal design. Creating comparison points allows us to pinpoint areas of error or error crucial for maintenance and quality assessment.
Thank you once again for joining us today. We hope you found the presentation informative and you are as excited as we are about the newest technology development of this groundbreaking product. Before we conclude, I want to remind you that our team is here to assist you with any further questions or demonstrations you might need. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. As we are on the live Q&A session, please feel free to type your questions in the chat box and we'll address them shortly. If you need more detailed information or wish to schedule a one-on-one demo, our contact details will be provided in the chat box. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to seeing how the FreeScan UE Pro2 can enhance your workflows and bring new high level of efficiency and ease of usage to your daily work of on-site inspection. Inspect on the move. We hope you can have an excellent user experience and, like us, fall in love with this scanner. Next, we will enter the live Q&A session.